Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll first combine essentials: an active character AI account and a stable browser. Sign in and enable two-factor authentication. This protects your work. Once done, clear cache and permit third-party cookies so features load reliably. You also need reference prompts, personality tags, and any avatar images ready. Now open the character creation page and choose the Create option. Start with a template if you want a faster baseline. This gets you into the editor immediately, so you can build the character's core. You'll now focus on the middle, behavior and memory. Define the persona clearly, goals, tone, and boundaries, so responses align with intent. Once done, configure memory rules, what the character should store, update, or forget. This prevents drift. Add 5-10 sample dialogues to teach style and expected replies. Then tweak response settings, length, verbosity, and safety filters. Make small iterative changes and test with quick prompts. This reveals how adjustments change real replies and uncovers subtle behavior gaps. Finish by launching and rigorously testing your character across scenarios. You should run diverse prompts: friendly, adversarial, and ambiguous, and note failures. Once stable, iterate personality or memory entries, then export or back up the character configuration. If things go wrong, first reset the problematic section rather than the whole character. Check your browser console for request errors, reapply safe defaults, and reduce creative settings to isolate the bug. Finally, document every change so you can reproduce successful setups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.